How to type clear heart symbol on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose any keyboard from here. If you want to add a new keyboard, then tap on Add New Keyboard below. Over here, scroll down to explore all the keyboard languages available. Search for or select the language that you want. For example, Japanese. And then, choose the version of the language. For example, Kana. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right. You have now successfully added this language to your keyboard languages. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Japanese from here. You are now using the Japanese keyboard. From here, tap on the numbers key twice as shown. And then, long press on the 1 key and select the star symbol. After that, select the heart symbol from the options below. Following these steps, you can easily type clear heart symbol on iPhone.